So we want to engrave these, and I think we're going to do it right inside of here. They're scooped, so there's a couple things about that. But first step, define a box that meets the size. I've zoomed in a bit, but this box is the same size as this spoon. I'll move the start point to here. This is all, should be right size for the middle of the spoon there. But how do you hold a piece that isn't level, isn't flat? How do you make it work? So let's go out to the laser and show you how to do it. Okay, we're out at the laser now, so you can see I've reorientated vertical instead of horizontal. I'll show you why here in a bit. We're going to fill this tray full of kinetic sand and then put the bag over it and then press the spoon the way we want it into the bag, into the tray, or into this. Now, I use a piece of scrap to make sure that the top of this is nice and flush with the edges, because you don't want the laser running into the sides of the pan for some reason if you go home too far or whatever as well. Go, and it's just as simple as pressing this down, getting where you want it. Now, once this is set into the laser and we're adjusted in height-wise, you have a very repeatable form to go ahead and pull in and out of every time. Okay, now I'm orienting the laser at the top. That's our origin, centered, which you can see is right here. I haven't even sent this yet. We're gonna go ahead and send just one of these over. Yep, mini spoon sent. We're gonna hit frame. And it looks like it's dead nuts on, but we'll see. A little bit of cleanup, get some of that off there. Perfect. First try, nailed it. And then one thing I do make sure I do between spoons is go ahead and track, and you can see we're still in the middle down there. And then hit reframe. Yep, we're good. I also changed the design on this one too. So, and as always, Mr. Bacon is always watching. And then once you're all done, you just put your kinetic sand back in the thing, put this bag back to reuse, and you're done. That's it. Hey, it's me. So here's the deal. I realized that I did not go into depth about why I use the plastic bag with the kinetic sand, because you don't need to use the plastic bag with the kinetic sand. But here's the deal. I'm using spoons, which could end up being used for sugar or salt or whatever. So the kinetic sand is not safe to have in your mouth, just as it says so right on the back. So we want to protect the spoons in this case from any toxicity that could travel from, that could be passed on. This is sand bonded together with some form of oil, so I don't know how good it is. The other thing is that if we're doing something like, say, these flasks, which you don't really need them for these, but other stuff, the powder coating or the paint on these could get scratched really easily by the sand. So there are times where using the sand without the bag is fine, and there are times using the sand with the bag is kind of needed. Now, the other thing too is that if you use the bag, you need to very much check and make sure that the laser is not going to catch the bag. All your excess is underneath the pan, and pull aside. So now you got to this point. I am sorry that I recorded those vertically. I was going to do them in a short story format for Instagram, and ended up doing a video here on YouTube. So thanks for watching. This is my first time messing with Final Cut Pro. So much to learn. It's crazy. But check out Jay Malone's channel, and then also check out, if you're going to do a video editing, check out the Final Cut Bros channel. Both links are down below. And have a great day. Remember, you are loved, you have value, and you have purpose. Never forget it.